Anybody in the motor trade will know exactly what this is straight away. That is a lock and wheel nut out of a BMW car. What happened was they had it at the garage and they damaged the lock and wheel nut key, the removal key, and they couldn't get them out. They brought it to us. We had to go. We've got Dynamics, we've got all the proper gear, and these are the tightest ones I've ever seen. So to get one off, because you had a puncture, I cut an old socket down and I welded a socket on from the inside using MIG and then welded a nut on, and that got it out without doing much damage to the wheel. It did burn a little bit of paint off, but that can't be helped. The other three are equally as tight, so I'm going to make something better than that to get them out. I've got a bit of steel tubing here. It happens to be Reynolds T45 tubing. It's just what I had lying about, which is the same size as that socket. So I'm going to part a few lengths off, a little bit longer than the socket. Then that goes onto the nut and you fire MIG in and weld it on. Then I'm going to bore a hole in there so I can put it across the end of there and weld a nut on, or weld a nut in without damaging the paint on the wheel too much. I know people say that they can get them out. I'll tell you what it is. I've had 40 odd years of getting these out and these bastards are tight. So we'll fire the lathe up, part some bits of material off, and I'll try and take the camera to work tomorrow. In fact, I will take the camera into work tomorrow and show all this in action. So I want them slightly longer than the one I had in, because it was just a little bit on the short side of the socket. But you want it as short as you can possibly get as well, so you can get the MIG gun in there. I think about there should do the job. We'll give it a try at that for speed. Just put something in the end just to catch the bits as they get parted off. So this is really good material, like roll cage material, suspension arm material. It's a waste for what I'm going to do, but it's just what I happen to have. Nice even pressure on the parting tool. Torture that bastard. Oh. Proper torture that. I've got no idea what this stuff is, but it's more than mild steel. Actually, the parts that they stamp out of the press when they're making parts, what they call a drop out part. It's certainly bloody hard. We'll just carry on with a big drill into there. Not very pleasant at all, that. That's a snap dynamic in there, isn't it? Right. Very good. Once again, it's just time to see you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. I'm less than 400 away from the magical 100,000. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, and the double boost hats are back on sale. I've got some more printed. That is a link in the description box. Anyway, thanks for watching.